Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. In today's video, I would like to show you guys how I make my chicken curry. Let's get straight into it. But before we do guys, please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe. So guys, these are all my ingredients. Chicken, obvious, potatoes, my onions chopped up, curry leaf. This is my garlic and all my spices. My Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric. This is my som, ilachi and cinnamon. This is my dhania jeera. This is my garam, my food coloring, egg yellow, and that's it, simple. And let's get started. I got the oil in the pot. I'm gonna put my onions in now. I'm gonna let that fry. Guys, this is the color I like my onions to be. So now I'm gonna go in with the garlic. One heaped and a quarter. I don't want my garlic to burn, so I'm gonna quickly move it around. Stir it quick, pull it off the stove. Literally 2 seconds. I don't want my garlic to burn. So I'm going in with my spices, guys. My turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon. My garam, a teaspoon. A heaped teaspoon. My dhania and jeera, 1.5 teaspoons, because it's dhania and jeera mixed together. I have very less left of my cinnamon, ilachi and som powder, this much. But if you putting in, you can also put 1 heaped teaspoon if you have mixed the 3 spices together. My food coloring, very less of that, less than 1/4 teaspoon. You can say 1 scoop of the chili powder. My Suhana chili powder. Mix that all together. I am not putting it back on the stove because I don't want my spices to burn. I will mix it off the stove. Put in all my potatoes. My chicken. So guys, I don't want my spices to burn. I'm going to mix it quick. Drop in my water. Just a little bit so nothing burns. Now I can mix it properly. I'm putting my curry leaf in, guys. I'm going in with my salt. That much. Gonna mix that around. And that's it, guys. Simple and easy. I'm gonna close the lid for the next 3 minutes. Let the oils come up. And then I'm gonna put in my water. I will show you guys when I'm putting in my water. So guys, it's 3 minutes now. And I'm gonna put in all my water. I use a 1/2 kettle of water, and by that time my potatoes are nice and soft and my food is cooked. You're gonna have to see for yourself how much of gravy you'd like in your curry. So for me it's like by 35 minutes, 40 minutes it's done. My potatoes are soft. The gravy is how I like it. And I'll show you when it's done. That's how simple it is, guys. Now you just leave it. Every 10 minutes you can come and stir your food, and that's it. when the food is done, I'll be showing you guys. So guys, this is what it looks like once I'm done. Now let's dish up. Dished up and ready for Chen. Looks delicious, tastes even better. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching the full video. See you in the next video.